many of you have ever felt inside like, nobody gets me? Yeah? Who here has been misjudged? Like you say or you do something and you're like, that's not what I meant. Yeah. Yes. As a kid, Trisha felt like that. She felt like nobody really saw her or got her or understood her. And then at age 5, she got her first camera, which was a Kodak Instamatic. Remember those? And on a family trip to Washington, D.C., she started taking pictures. And when they had the film developed, remember when you had to do that? Yeah. She found out those pictures were actually really good. And then that was her gift. Fast forward a few years, as she's photographing people, she starts discovering that her gift is really about photographing that essence inside that we all feel and that we all have and that we really wish the world could see. And that is her gift, is finding that and drawing that out. And that's what she is going to talk about in her speech today, about having people feel the essence of you, to see the essence of you in your brand. So welcome Trisha Turpinoff of Turpinoff Photography.